Is your Google Tag Manager set up a tangled web, and you're ready to cleanly cut ties with it on your WordPress site when it's managed by a plugin? Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Then click on Installed Plugins. Find the Google Tag Manager plugin you're currently using. Deactivate the plugin first by clicking the Deactivate link below its name. Once deactivated, the option to delete will appear. Click Delete to completely remove the plugin from your WordPress installation. Confirm the deletion if prompted. Now, let's manually check for any lingering DTM code snippets. Go to Appearance in the left-hand menu, then click Theme Editor. Be extremely careful in this section, making sure you edit the correct file. In the Theme Editor, locate the header file. It's usually on the right-hand side under Theme Files. Open Header and carefully look for any Google Tag Manager code snippets. These usually start with script and contain Google Tag Manager.com. If you find any GTM code, carefully delete it. Double-check you're only removing the GTM code. Then click Update File at the bottom of the editor. Warning: making mistakes here can break your site, so proceed with caution. If unsure, consult a developer. Next, locate and open the footer file, usually on the right-hand side under Theme Files. Similar to the header, look for any Google Tag Manager code snippets. If you find any GTM code, carefully delete it. Double-check you're only removing the GTM code. Then click Update File at the bottom of the editor. Warning: making mistakes here can break your site, so proceed with caution. If unsure, consult a developer. And that's it. You've successfully removed Google Tag Manager from your WordPress site when it was implemented through a plugin. Remember to clear your browser cache to ensure all changes take effect.